Hi, this is Richard, and in this tutorial we're gonna show how you can edit your webinars, your events, and your virtual classes. Let's get started here. Once you click here on view your webinars, or just scroll down, you're gonna see all the webinars that you have created. And if you want to edit any information, you just click here on this edit button located at the right side. And this information is pretty much related to your event. And here you can modify the title and you can even add a description. This title and description will show in your landing page. Once you are done, just click on Update Event, and that's it. However, if you want to change any information inside your event, let's click on the link just to get inside and change any information that you like. Here we are inside our seminar room, and now we can just change any information about this session or any sessions inside the event. It's important to mention that every event that you create, you can have multiple rooms inside of it. The first step is to expand your left menu bar, and you're gonna see this room and sessions icon. By clicking here, as you can see, you have the ability to add more sessions or more rooms if you want, or modify any existent rooms that you have already created. Once we click here to create, as you can see, you can add in a name for this session, and then you can choose from these options if you want a group activity or meeting room. And this option is very suitable, especially if you want to create breakout sessions to assign specific activities for your students or for your attendees. And once you choose this option here, this room will become independent, which means you don't have to be there. Your students can be there and interact with each other, collaborate even after your session, your main session. You don't have to be there, but of course you can join at any time to provide guidance. The second option that we have here, which we call webinars or classroom, it means you can create multiple tracks. Let's say you are planning an event with multiple sessions. It could be simultaneously or not. This would be the best option for you to choose from, because here you can have full control from cameras and microphones. You can assign different moderators or admins for each one of your classes or each one of your rooms. And the last one is a room very suitable if you want to have a autoplay video room. And this one, it's interesting for you to upload your video files and your students can join in order to watch. And here you can change, of course, the date of the session. You can change, you can either define if the session will be private or public. And inside your event, you can have, for example, one session which is public, and then you can create multiple sessions which are private. And then you can have different layouts, different environments inside the same event. In summary, this option is more suitable for classrooms and this one is more suitable for events. Another thing that you can do here is edit any information. Let's say we want to edit this information here. We just click here and then we can, for example, change the name. And it's important to mention that all this data here, your attendees will see, and they will be able to get inside of any of these sessions, any of these rooms, as soon as they click on it. That's why I try to be as simple as you can by naming all these sessions. You can even delete this session if you want. And if you want just to get inside the session, just click here on group 2, for example. And here we are inside our session. You can just pick here a place, and yeah, we are just here. And it's important to mention that here, since we define this room as a breakout session. Your students, once they join, the microphones will turn on automatically, and they can all share their screen. And of course, you can jump from room to provide your orientation. Here's the icon that you can just click to navigate between all the rooms. And in addition, as you can see here, once you create your event, GoBrunch automatically creates a lounge, which is a common area for you to see the big picture of all the sessions that you have created. Of course, you can join these sessions by clicking on these arrows, and your students can do this as well. With that said, as you can see, there are two ways of navigating. You can either use the lounge. However, the lounge has a limitation of 6 rooms. You can even scroll down to see all the doors, and you can just choose which one you want to enter. And if you have more than 6, they will be listed here, but not in the lounge. And just a summary, now you can edit all the information from the event. The main information you can change here, such as the title and the description, and your attendees will see this information on the landing page of your webinar or your classroom. And by jumping in, you can change all the information regarding dates, times, or room layouts by using this room and sessions. And this is the same icon that you can use to navigate between all the rooms that you have created. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we see you in the next one.